Hello and welcome back to our channel, Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm your host, Yvette Faruja. It's great to have you here, and whether this is your first time joining us or if you've been following along from the start, you're in the right place for all things cake business related. From decorating techniques to business advice and mindset tips, we'll discuss it all. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss an episode. Today we're going to be decorating our vanilla cupcakes with some deluxe buttercream piping techniques. We will be using our signature buttercream, which is an American style buttercream. You can find the complete tutorial for purchase on our website. Just pop on over to our Instagram page at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette and comment the word buttercream on any of our posts and we will send you the direct link. It's that easy. Now, for today's decorating, we have coloured our buttercream in 2 shades of blue using royal blue gel. The tips we are using are the 1M tip for the lighter blue and the number 10 tip for the darker blue. These tips, the piping bags and cupcake cases are available from Cakers Warehouse. If you order online, be sure to use our discount code Enchanted10 and you can save 10%. Starting with our darker buttercream, we have piped a full swirl onto 4 cupcakes in each box. Then a smaller swirl onto another 4 cupcakes in each box. The remaining 4 cupcakes in each box will have a piped swirl using the lighter buttercream. For each of these swirls, we start from the center, anchoring our tip there, and then slowly work our way outwards. Continuing with the light buttercream, add 4 stars around the smaller dark blue swirl to cover your cupcake. On the larger dark blue swirls, add a single light blue star off-centered. For the light blue cupcakes, add a dark blue buttercream star in the center. To finish off, we have made 9 fondant toppers with 21 on them. To add them onto your cupcakes, pipe a small star using the lighter buttercream onto 3 random cupcakes in each box and press the topper onto them so it sticks into place and is level. When you use fondant toppers, always make them in advance at least 24 hours so they have enough adequate drying time, and then place them onto your cupcakes as late as possible to minimize the possibility of them going soft and losing shape. Now you're ready to start piping your own deluxe buttercream cupcakes. We would love to see your creations, so be sure to tag us on socials. You can find us on Instagram at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you've learned something new and enjoyed our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Happy piping!